Hey folks, it's been quite a while since my last video on VMware. Basically what happened was I had to take the server offline, so it wasn't running at home anymore. Fortunately, it's found a new home in a trusted data center provider called Team Blue, who's very graciously agreed to sponsor the hosting of the server. Now, I did have to, as a part of that, sort of reset everything and redeploy it, which means I've made some different changes. You might see, for example, now it's not using the Haslund.lab, but instead it's called lab.rasmushaslund.com. The main reason for this is it allows me to start using proper SSL certificates from a public root CA, which means we can, for example, later on do videos on how to use Let's Encrypt. Otherwise, the domain controller here has been set up using the same formula. I actually did deploy a second domain controller, which I might go ahead and delete and redeploy in a video so that you can also follow along. But other than that, everything is pretty much the same. I did slightly adjust the name of these hosts. In the lab so far, we had the 192.168.2.1 network assigned sort of to management. That's essentially my home network, which is connected via VPN to the pfSense. So this physical host has been re-IP'd to now be configured, and we can go ahead and take a look. Let's see here, where do we have it? Oh, it's just like the actual hosts, that's why. So you can see I've configured that to actually be 2.2. So now it's essentially inside the production network. Other than that, it's pretty much the same setup. And the hosts here, you can see these are now called 2.1.1 and 2.1.2. They have 2.11 and 2.12. The Starwind is a slightly newer version, but it's the same setup, same stuff so far. And as you remember, the last we did was go and set up iSCSI, which is exactly the same that's set up here. So in the next video after this one, I'll start to actually get vMotion and so on set up. I just wanted to give you a little progress update here. So thank you so much for watching the series so far, and I hope to see you in the next video where we'll start setting up vMotion and actually getting this domain controller migrated down to run on these nested hosts.